though I get a lot of hate for it. और ये मीठा है, मैं खुद से कुछ एक्सप्लोर नहीं करती। ओ ये 3 चिपके हुए हैं। ओथ Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So as you know by the title itself, today I'm going to show you what's in my backpack, cafe edition. I guess I have done one what's in my bag video a long time back, 4 years back when I started this YouTube channel. Yes, if you guys don't know already, I go to cafe and work a lot. कभी-कभी घर में थोड़ा बोर हो जाता है। अब तो ऑफिसेस फिर भी खुल गए हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं काफी बोर होती थी। I used to go to my nearby Starbucks and I used to sit there and work. So yeah, I thought why not, let's just present you guys the YouTube cult favorite video, what's in my bag. So having said that, let's just quickly jump into the video. So this is the bag that I carry with me to cafe. This is a very nice bag. I really like it. The color and the golden detailing, and you know, like the whole feel of the bag. It's very nice. It's very luxurious. I really like it. The only drawback with this is it is a structured bag, so you cannot fit a lot of stuff in it. इसमें बहुत कम सामान आता है, but still I love this bag. This one is from Accessorize London. It has one handle, one main zip, one zip over here, and one pocket over here. Okay, let me start with this pocket. Okay, so first thing is my hand cream. तो ये Vaseline बॉडी लोशन जो आलमंड वाला होता है, I have filled it in this box क्योंकि मुझे हैंड क्रीम का पॉइंट समझ नहीं आता, बहुत महंगे होते हैं and they just don't function how I want it to function. The same purpose is solved by my Vaseline body lotion also, so why do I want to waste money in expensive hand creams? So yeah, this is my hand cream. Next thing I have is earphones. One lipstick, ये almost खत्म हो गई है. This is my favorite lipstick. It's been almost 2 years और तब से मैं सिर्फ यही lipstick use कर रही हूँ. This is what I have on my lips right now. I love it. Next thing is a purple highlighter, matte lipstick in the shade Teddy 2.0. I love this color on my cheeks especially. और ये मीठा है, okay? तो I keep licking my lips और फिर lipstick भी हट जाती है, so I just don't apply it on my lips, but it's perfect for cheeks and even as a eyeshadow. Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. My sister introduced this to me. Why do people keep introducing me to beauty stuff? मैं खुद से कुछ explore नहीं करती हूँ जब तक मुझे कोई दूसरा explore नहीं करवाता. She had this one when she came to Bangalore and I loved it and I bought myself one. Next I have is my AirPod. This is the AirPod 2nd generation. I have this really cute sunflower और इसका एक पेटल टूट गया है and it's very sad. और मैंने इसको चिपकाया भी था. ओ जो मैंने चिपकाया था वो ये है और ये दूसरा वाला टूट गया है. ओ ये 3 चिपके हुए हैं. So ये भी चिपका हुआ है, ये भी चिपका हुआ है और ये तीसरा टूट गया फिर से. Interesting. Next I have is perfume because perfume तो चाहिए होता है यार. Perfume के लिए मैं कोई explanation नहीं दे सकती. It is Bella Vita Luxury Honey Oud perfume. Next I have is my wallet. This one is from Charles and Keith. Wallet नहीं है actually, it's a card holder. और मुझे ऐसा कुछ छोटा ही चाहिए था because सिर्फ कार्ड ही रखना होता है. आजकल कैश की कहीं नीड नहीं होती और कैश थोड़ा मोड़ा चाहिए भी, तो there is a mid pocket over here. So yeah, card holder. ये अगर गया तो मैं बर्बाद हो जाऊंगी. I guess that's all I have in the front pocket. No, one more thing is there. Oh, this is that evil eye band. ये मुझे शूट करना था तो मैंने इसे खोल के रख दिया. That's all I have in the front pocket. Moving on to the next pocket. So I have straws. If I'm going to a cafe, I ask them first if they are serving the drink with plastic straw. If they say yes, then I don't take it. I use my own straw. One straw and the cleaner. इसके साथ 2 और straws थे, but 2 of my friends liked it, so I gave it to them. Next thing I have is a hairbrush. It's a very छोटू hairbrush. I really like it. I'm not obsessed with combing my hair again and again, but this one is so cute और मैंने अभी नया खरीदा था, so I'm just obsessed with it. So that's why I carry it in my bag. There's no other reason. I don't comb my hair in mid of my day. The next thing I have are my sunglasses. This one I got from a local flea market. I really love this one. They are very nice, suits my face, and they are black. It's dark in front of me right now, though I look very nice on camera. I'm not comfortable at all riding scooty in proper sunlight, so I have to have sunglasses with me, and the cover is also from Accessorize London. Next thing I have are pens. That's all right. Yeah, one gel blue pen, one gel black pen, and one blue ball pen. So yeah, that's all I have in this pocket. So in the main zipper, so there is this handle. You open this handle and there is a main zipper. So first thing I have is this zipper. जब मैं स्कूटी चलाती हूँ तभी बस ये बैग के अंदर होता है because obviously it's a tumbler, it's a zipper, so water leak होता है. So when I carry my bag, ये straight रहता है, so it doesn't leak. I'm just keeping it aside. Next thing I have is my phone. Just see what I did with my phone. बड़ा ये नॉर्मल सा कवर था, इसकी मैंने ये भाजी मूली कर दी है. ये कवर मैंने Amazon से खरीदा था. There was a heart over here और उसका पेट निकल गया, so I simply thought of putting pearls on it. And this charm I got with my Barbie collection jacket. I like it. This looks nice. It's very bulky though. Yeah, but I love it. I love my creativity. Next thing I have in my bag is this really pretty pouch, pink pouch. बड़ा ही soft सा है, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. The first thing I have is my MacBook का cable, my mobile charger cable, my iPad charger cable, my MacBook adapter. That's all. Told you nothing fancy. Were you expecting something fancy? No, right? Next thing I have is my iPad. ये मैंने बड़े शौक में खरीदा था. Didn't realize the fact कि ये काफी useful होगा. But मैं अपने thumbnails इसमें create करती हूँ. अभी मैंने AWS का certification दिया था. मैंने पढ़ाई इसी में की थी और मैंने notes भी इसी में बनाए थे. It is really good for students. You can definitely try iPad or any tablet. This is Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I really like it. और ये सब sticker मैंने चिपकाए हैं. इसमें चिपके हुए नहीं आए थे. I got this cover from Amazon and yeah, I love my iPad. And the last thing in my bag is, guess what? Just guess. Is my MacBook. So I take my MacBook to a cafe when I have to finish editing ASAP because earphones lagao, MacBook on karo, and it is much easier to focus then. This is MacBook Pro 2020 model with a touch bar. Again ये stickers मैंने लगाए हैं. My friend hated. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने MacBook की कोई इज्जत नहीं छोड़ी है. But I really like it. It looks so cute. Please. I like it. So yeah, that's about it for the today's video, guys. This is all the stuff I carry with me to a cafe. I told you very less stuff. Everything in this bag is important, I guess. I hope you like this video. Let me know what else you want to see in this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, it is कितने बार बोला है यार, प्लीज मेरा सब्सक्राइब के मत देखा करो. If I'll show you guys the analytics of my channel, the number of people who have subscribed and watched my video and the number of people who haven't subscribed and watched my video, okay, that is insane. Don't do that, okay? And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.